How to make your Twitter likes private. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can make your likes on tweets private on Twitter. Now if you open up the app and head into a certain profile here and head into the profile, and on the likes you'll be able to see every tweets that they have liked. Now this is a built-in feature on Twitter where every tweet that you have liked will be shown on your profile. Now there is no way to hide that, unfortunately, but what you can do is I'll recommend you to build or to create a dummy account or create a fake account through which you can view the tweets and like them, and from your main account you can just view them and not like them. So this way, if anyone tries to view your like tweets, they won't be able to view any because you wouldn't have liked any tweets. So this is the only way you can hide your likes on Twitter. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.